Okay, hello guys, we're going to do an unboxing on that etha playing eclipse. It's red, so let's get into it. So first, you're going to get this nice case. So when you first get in here, you're going to see manual, good, colorful manual. Let's see, you're going to get some playing eclipse like lubricant or void lightning. I don't know. A big kit, spare parts, spring, stuff like that. And you get this Allen key set. Really nice. Playing eclipse. You're going to get 2 barrels. This is a little weird because you like spin it. You know how you want to spin it like that? It goes, you spin it on a different way. I think it's like 14-inch barrel. Yeah, got that. Then, of course, you're good. Red. So you're gonna get playing eclipse barrel bag. I'll show you this. So when you first turn it on, it's gonna flush out. Keep holding it in. And then when it flushes yellow, that means your eyes are on. And when it turns that, there's something in the chamber. And to turn off, just go hold it until it turns red, and then you just go. So yeah, that's pretty much it in the box. Let's go to the gun. So this gun, it's straight, it's nice. This is my first fast marker. I recommend to get it. Nice, it shoots fast. Dangerous on the good. It's really nice. Has a clamping feed neck. Then, just this case is really nice. I recommend getting this gun. Go buy it. Also, playing eclipse.